Anterior sucker, you know ma, occupy that first 5 segments. Anterior sucker occupy the first 5 segments. That posterior suckers occupy totally 7 segments. Okay, fusion the 7 segment fused and form that posterior sucker. Okay, anterior 5 segment, posterior 7 segments. Okay, next we see that external aperture. External aperture, aperture means what ma'am? Holes like that. Okay ma'am, aperture means holes, துளைகள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேயா? So then external aperture, so that is the leech, structure of the leech. First one is mouth. First one is what ma? Mouth. You see that mouth? Yes. It is located in that middle of anterior sucker. Here also anterior suckers. So it is that mouth is located in that middle of the anterior sucker. In that middle of the anterior sucker. Okay ma? In the middle of the anterior sucker. Middle means center. Okay yeah. Next we see that anus. Anus means it is also the small aperture. It opens that anus. Okay ma? So that anus is a small aperture. It opens in the mid-dorsal side of 26 segment. Mid-dorsal. Mid-dorsal என்னதுமா? 20 mid-dorsal means அதாவது அந்த முதுகுப்புறமாக இருக்குள்ள அதனுடைய சென்ட்ரலில். ஓகேயா? தென் இதில் தான் என்ன செய்யும்? இட் ஓப்பன்ஸ். So this anus is a small aperture that opens on the mid-dorsal side. So opens in that mid-dorsal side. இந்த mid-dorsal பக்கத்தில் தான் என்ன பண்ணும்? ஓப்பன் ஆகும். That side of 26th segment. The segment is 26th segment. Totally 33 segment. Okay. So 26th segment, it is opened in that anus. Then one is nephridiophores. Next one is what ma? Nephridiophores. That nephridiophores open at that exterior. Opening in that exterior, outer. How many pairs of nephridiophores are present? 17 pairs of nephridiophores are present. It lies ventrally on the last annulus. Okay amma? Last annulus of each segment. ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள லாஸ்ட் annulus-ல starting from 6 to 22nd segment. 6 to. Okay yeah? Here. Okay, first nephridiophore, you see that? Yes. So 6th, starting from 6th segment to 22nd, up to 22nd segment. In this segment, that nephridiophores, 17 pairs of nephridiophores are present. Next one, we see that male genital pore. Next we see that male genital pore. So that is the aperture or pore. Anyway, it is a mid-ventral opening situated between the second and third annuli of 10th segment. Second or third. Okay ma? It is between the second and third annuli. ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள 2க்கும் 3க்கும் இடையில தான் என்ன செய்யுது? இந்த ஜெனிட்டல் போர்ஸ் ஆர் ப்ரெசன்ட். ஓகேயா? அதுவும் என்னது? இந்த ஸ்டொமக்கு, அதாவது வயிற்றினுடைய சென்ட்ரல் பிளேஸ், மையப்பகுதின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேயாம்மா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வி see that female genital pore. Male genital pore, this is a female genital aperture. So it lies, it also the same, mid-ventrally between second and third annuli. Okay amma? Second and third annuli of, that is that male genital pore is 10th segment, that female genital pore is what ma? 11th segment. Okay, so the female genital aperture or pore is present in that 11th segment, okay ma. Next we see that division of the body. What ma? Division of the body. The totally 33 segments. How to divide the body of the leech? So how many regions? 6 regions. Totally how many regions ma? 6 regions. In that first region is cephalic region. The first region is called the cephalic region. It is first to 5th segment. So this cephalic region is present in first to 5th segment. Cephalic na head region. Okay amma. So first la irundhu 5th vara ulla segment vandu cephalic. Then preclitellum region. Clitellum already I told that clitellum starting from the segment 9 to 11. It is 3 region. Clitellum. Okay amma. So that preclitellum region, the clitellum region it is in 2 region, clitellum. Okay, preclitellum, that is 6th, 7th and 8th segment. 6th, 7th and 8th segment. Then clitellum region is 9th, 10th and 11th segment. Okay, first 3 segments preclitellum, then clitellum region is the last 3 segments. Okay, starting from 6 to 9 to 11. Okay, 9 to 11. Preclitellum is 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay ma. Then that middle region, 12th segment to 22nd segment. This segment is called middle region. Then girdle na back region. So that is 23rd to 26th. 23rd to 26th segment is called girdle region. Then the last region is the posterior sucker. The last one is the posterior sucker. That is 27th region to 33. Okay amma. 27th region, the segment to 33 segment. This region is called posterior sucker. So already I told posterior sucker totally 7 segments join together to form the posterior sucker. So here also the same 27th to 33. Okay amma.